Microsoft has done something that very few people expected. After years of transforming its relationship with open-source software, the company has officially released its own Linux distribution. For longtime Windows users, this announcement might sound unbelievable. Microsoft and Linux were once considered complete opposites, with fierce competition defining their relationship for decades. But over the last several years, the technology landscape has changed dramatically. Microsoft has become one of the largest contributors to open-source projects, integrated Linux deeply into Windows through the Windows subsystem for Linux, built Azure around Linux workloads, and even developed tools specifically designed for Linux users. Now, by releasing its own Linux distribution, Microsoft is taking another significant step that reflects just how much the company has evolved. The question everyone is asking is simple. Why would Microsoft build a Linux distribution, and what does it actually offer? The first thing to understand is that Microsoft's Linux distribution is not intended to replace Windows on your desktop. This is not a consumer operating system designed to compete with Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint, or Arch Linux. Instead, Microsoft created this Linux distribution for a very specific purpose. It is designed to power Microsoft's own cloud infrastructure, development environments, container platforms, and internal services. Like many major technology companies, Microsoft realized that building a customized Linux operating system allows it to optimize performance, security, reliability, and maintenance across its massive cloud ecosystem. Companies like Google, Amazon, Meta, and Oracle have already developed their own Linux distributions for similar reasons. Microsoft's move simply brings it into a growing list of organizations creating specialized Linux platforms for enterprise infrastructure. This Linux distribution is based on open-source components but has been carefully customized by Microsoft engineers. Every package included in the operating system has been selected to provide stability and long-term support rather than experimental features. Instead of shipping thousands of unnecessary applications, the distribution focuses on a minimal installation that reduces attack surfaces and simplifies maintenance. This lightweight approach allows Microsoft to deploy the operating system efficiently across countless virtual machines, cloud servers, Kubernetes clusters, and containerized environments. By controlling the entire software stack, Microsoft can release updates faster, validate security patches more thoroughly, and maintain greater consistency across its global infrastructure. Security plays an enormous role in Microsoft's decision. Modern cloud platforms face millions of cyberattacks every day, and protecting customer data requires operating systems that are secure by design. Microsoft's Linux distribution includes multiple security enhancements, including hardened compiler settings, secure boot compatibility, mandatory package verification, kernel protections, and regular vulnerability scanning. Every package is digitally signed before distribution, ensuring that systems only install trusted software. Microsoft also integrates automated update pipelines that quickly deliver security patches whenever new vulnerabilities are discovered. This proactive approach reduces the window of exposure while improving overall platform reliability. Performance optimization is another major advantage. General-purpose Linux distributions must support a huge variety of hardware configurations and user requirements. Microsoft's Linux distribution, however, targets specific workloads running on Azure infrastructure. That means engineers can fine-tune kernel parameters, optimize memory management, improve networking performance, and remove unnecessary components that would otherwise consume valuable resources. Even small improvements become incredibly valuable when multiplied across hundreds of thousands of cloud servers operating around the clock. Reduced boot times, lower memory usage, faster storage access, and optimized networking all contribute to lower operational costs while improving customer experiences. One interesting aspect of Microsoft's Linux strategy is how closely it integrates with Azure. Azure has become one of the world's largest cloud computing platforms, and Linux workloads now represent a significant percentage of virtual machines running on the service. Many businesses choose Linux because of its flexibility, efficiency, and open-source ecosystem. Rather than relying entirely on third-party distributions, Microsoft can now optimize its own Linux platform specifically for Azure services. This allows deeper integration with monitoring tools, virtualization technologies, security services, and cloud management platforms, while ensuring consistent behavior across different deployment scenarios. Developers are also expected to benefit from Microsoft's Linux distribution. Modern software development increasingly relies on containers, microservices, continuous integration pipelines, and cloud-native applications. Having a standardized Linux environment allows developers to create applications with fewer compatibility issues between development, testing, and production environments. Microsoft can provide optimized images for GitHub Actions, Azure DevOps, Kubernetes clusters, and container registries, reducing deployment complexity while improving reliability. Since Microsoft owns GitHub, Visual Studio Code, Azure, and many developer tools, integrating its Linux platform into this ecosystem creates a seamless workflow for software engineers around the world. Another important reason for creating its own Linux distribution is supply chain security. Recent cybersecurity incidents have demonstrated how vulnerable software supply chains can become when organizations depend heavily on external package repositories. By maintaining its own package repositories, Microsoft gains greater visibility into every component included in the operating system. Engineers can audit source code, verify dependencies, monitor vulnerabilities, and reproduce builds with greater confidence. This level of control strengthens trust while reducing risks associated with compromised packages or unauthorized modifications. Some people wonder whether Microsoft's Linux distribution signals the end of Windows. The answer is almost certainly no. Windows remains Microsoft's flagship desktop operating system and continues to receive significant investment. Millions of businesses depend on Windows for productivity, enterprise management, gaming, and commercial software. Instead of replacing Windows, Microsoft's Linux distribution complements it by addressing entirely different workloads. Windows dominates desktop computing, while Linux continues to dominate cloud infrastructure. Microsoft simply recognizes that supporting both platforms allows it to serve a much broader range of customers. This announcement also reflects a broader philosophical shift inside Microsoft. Years ago, Linux was viewed primarily as competition. Today, Microsoft actively contributes to the Linux kernel, maintains open-source projects, supports cross-platform development, and releases software that runs equally well on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Tools like Visual Studio Code, PowerShell, .NET, TypeScript, and GitHub have all embraced cross-platform compatibility. The release of a Microsoft-developed Linux distribution represents another milestone in this transformation, demonstrating that open-source collaboration has become central to Microsoft's long-term strategy. For Linux enthusiasts, the release is interesting because it highlights how influential Linux has become across modern computing. Virtually every major cloud provider, smartphone platform, embedded device, supercomputer, and enterprise infrastructure depends on Linux in some form. Even companies that built their businesses around proprietary software increasingly rely on Linux behind the scenes. Microsoft's decision reinforces the reality that Linux is no longer an alternative operating system reserved for enthusiasts. It has become the foundation of global computing infrastructure. Will ordinary users be able to download and install Microsoft's Linux distribution on their personal computers? At the moment, that does not appear to be Microsoft's primary goal. While portions of the project may be available as open source, the distribution itself is optimized for enterprise deployment rather than desktop usability. It lacks many of the graphical tools, desktop environments, multimedia packages, and user-friendly installers found in consumer-focused Linux distributions. Enthusiasts may eventually experiment with it, but Microsoft's intended audience remains cloud engineers, developers, enterprise administrators, and internal infrastructure teams rather than everyday desktop users. The long-term implications are nevertheless fascinating. As cloud computing continues to expand, organizations increasingly seek highly optimized operating systems tailored for specific workloads. Microsoft's Linux distribution gives the company complete control over its infrastructure platform while reducing reliance on external vendors. It enables faster innovation, stronger security, improved performance, and better integration across Microsoft's growing ecosystem of cloud services and developer tools. At the same time, it demonstrates how dramatically the software industry has evolved over the past 2 decades. Perhaps the most surprising aspect of this story is not that Microsoft released a Linux distribution, but that it now feels completely logical. The company's business has expanded far beyond Windows into cloud computing, artificial intelligence, enterprise services, cybersecurity, developer platforms, and global infrastructure. Linux powers much of that ecosystem, making an internally developed distribution a practical engineering decision rather than a symbolic gesture. For anyone who remembers the fierce rivalry between Microsoft and Linux years ago, this release serves as a remarkable reminder of how technology companies adapt to changing markets. Microsoft's Linux distribution is less about replacing existing operating systems and more about building the secure, efficient, scalable foundation needed for the next generation of cloud computing, software development, and enterprise infrastructure. It is another clear sign that in today's technology world, collaboration between proprietary software and open source has become not only possible but essential for driving innovation forward.